pumpkin bread today with this pumpkin bread kit which I got. It makes 2 loaves. This recipe requires eggs, so it requires 4 eggs. So I am going to replace those eggs with yogurt and a combination of baking soda and baking powder. So for each egg we require 1/4 cup of yogurt, and I'm taking 3/4 cup of yogurt over here. In addition, I will be using 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and baking powder, and half cup of oil, 1 cup of water as written in the recipe. Also, I have some additional optional nuts over here. This is just your choice. I want to make one of the loaves with some nuts on it. I have some sunflower kernels, and for the icing I have 2 tablespoons of milk. And let's get started. Our mixture to make the cake loaves. This small packet is for the icing. It says icing mix on the top. And then we have pumpkin puree. Let's put this pumpkin puree. Then we will add the yogurt, oil, baking soda, baking powder, and water. Mix it really well so the puree is nicely dissolved. This looks good. Now we'll take our bread mix. Now we just need to fold it into the mixture. Make sure there are no lumps. Now this looks nice and smooth. Here are my loaf pans, and I will pour the mixture. So to create a variation to one of the loaves, I am adding these berry mix, almonds. Give it a stir so this can be mixed nicely, and the raisins also become nice and moist, and other berries too. On the top also I will sprinkle a few almonds. And now it's ready to go into the oven. I have preheated the oven at 350, and let's bake. We'll be baking it for about 50 to 55 minutes or until done. So now our pumpkin bread is ready.